Hey guys, it's me Donny Tojo. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I did a commercial for PST using my limited facilities and a 2-year-old camera. And I just really wanted to show you or share you this message that gear never matters. All that matters is your dedication and your way of thinking and being creative and your hard work towards whatever you are looking forward. So in this video, we are gonna look how I shot a commercial for PST and how I use different props, different inexpensive props in actually to make this video happen. So go check out this video. Hey guys, it's me Donny Tojo. So this is my first ever vlog or video in English. So this video will be posted in my old YouTube channel and I'm gonna continue posting videos in that channel again. And so today what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to a store near me which is Loblaws, and I'm gonna pick a product and I'm going to try to do some product photography of that product. So that's basically the idea of this video, and you guys will be seeing the behind the scenes of that product photography or whatever I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna try and I'm gonna learn and I'll be showing you guys how I do all these things. So that will be the idea of this channel from now onwards. So you guys sit back and enjoy this video. Guys, got a coffee, not a coffee, actually steep tea. He's got an extra large, I got a small. It's so cold outside, it's freezing. It feels like minus 25 or something, I think so. Oh god. Enjoying the time. Okay guys, I'm here at the drink station. So I'm thinking of taking the PST and so
attention all shoppers in our promotion department. We have fully cooked barbecue chicken and herb chicken ready to eat. 50% off. Regularly $11.99. Now 50% off. First come, first serve.
let's see what we can do with this thing. So guys, let's talk about the behind the scenes. So what I did first is that I was having no idea what to do, how to create the video or a photo. And as I had this perception of taking photos of the product, I tried out taking a couple of photos using a couple of color charts, and it was looking good. So after that I got this weird idea that what if I use stop motion and use these photos and create a video. So that's what you guys see in the first section of my video. I used stop motion, and you have to be very careful while using stop motion technique because you have to measure where your product is and you have to keep your tripod stable. And the camera that I use for this video is my Canon M50, and the lens that I use for this video is 50mm lens. It's a prime lens and it's a f1.8 variant, and my camera settings were shutter speed was 1/160, the aperture was 1.8, and the ISO was between 100 and 400. And I tried to make the lighting as even as possible, and it was very difficult because I didn't had any overhead lighting. So I used my soft boxes and I arranged it as high as possible, and I gave it an even spread. And I also used a thermocol thing from dollar store to create an even lighting and to get a reflection to the product. And I measured using a stick, and I marked where I kept the product. So as I changed the charts, I kept my product in the same place and I didn't move the tripod. So you have to be very careful. And I also used a technique that I saw in a YouTube video, that I used my phone, and using my phone I was sharing my camera's video. So what I did is that I used a duct tape and I made a marking on my phone, and I tried to keep my product on the correct place that I had, so that I will not end up in a shaky or jerky shot. So that was the main idea. And in a shot between, you will be seeing a splash of water, or a water pouring down, a water drop coming down. So that's a common shot that is everyone following in the industry. So I just recreated it using a sprayer, and I sprayed it, and I reversed the video so that it looks clean and neat. And I also used a transition, doodle transition, because it really matches with the PST animation they have. And in the end, I used some PNG images, and I used a PNG image of the logo, and I put it together, and I used keyframing to make it in a row, and like a motion graphic where you feel like it is coming from the logo, behind the logo. And I saw in Daniel Schiffer's video that he used the video and did a reflection layer, so that you feel like it's an original product. So in my last shot, if you check, you will understand that the last shot has a reflection of the product. How I did that was in Premiere, I duplicated the layer, and I flipped it vertically, and I reduced the opacity, and it looked like a real product having a reflection. So that's how I ended up with this video. And this video is really short, like a 6-second video, but it really took me a day, or about a day, to shoot this video entirely. And I tested a lot of things. I was not having a camera slider. I was not having a lazy Susan. So it was very, very tough for me to create this kind of video. Like, it was not that easy, but I tried to be creative as much as possible. And I also tried some pouring shots of the drink. Also tried some videos or photos with the cherries and fruits and stuff, but all that didn't come that good. So that's why I kept it simple, and I think simple is powerful. So this is all about it. And if you wish to follow me, I highly encourage you to come in my Instagram profile. I'll be posting every video in there, and you can also check out future videos, because me and my friend Joshua is tying up together, and we'll be focusing on future videos, product photography videos, and we are very much inspired in product photography and product photography commercials and product videos. So this is all about it, and see you guys in the next video. Till then, it's me, Tony Tojo, signing out. Bye bye.